Hi there, it's scriptkidnetworks. Welcome to another episode of
Linux for Hackers, Linux for Hackers.
Today, we will learn some Linux terms and concepts, so we can continue our Linux journey. Let's begin. Case sensitivity. Unlike Windows, Linux is case sensitive. That means that a word can represent two different things just from a single letter. Directory is the same as a folder in Windows. A directory provides a way of organizing files in a hierarchical order. Home. Each user has their home directory, where the files you create will be saved by default. Root. Like every operating system, Linux has an administrator or superuser, or let's call it the boss. This account is designed for an user who can do anything in the system, changing passwords, adding users, and configuring system files. This account is called root. Script is a series of commands run in an environment that converts each line into source code. Many hacking tools are simply scripts. Binaries. This term refers to files that can be executed, similar to executables in Windows. Binaries generally reside in this directory and include applications such as wireless hacking tools aircrack-ng. Shell. This is an environment and interpreter for running commands in Linux. The most widely used shell is Bash, which stands for Born Again Shell. Terminal. This is the command line interface. This is the place you will put your commands, and with the help of command line, you will hack the world. Now let's start learning about the Linux file system, because as a hacker, you will need to know how your operating system works. The Linux file system is different from Windows. Linux does not have a physical drive at the base of the file system, but has a logical file system instead. At the top of file system is this, which is called the root of file system. But don't mix it with the root user, that's another thing. Let's explain some directories in Linux. Root. It's the home directory of the all-power root user. etc. It contains Linux configuration files. These files control when and how programs start up. Home. The user's home directory. MNT, where other file systems are attached or mounted to the file system. Media. This is where the C disks and USB devices are mounted to the file system. Bin. Here are the application binaries, like I said earlier, like Windows executables. Lib. This is where you will find libraries. This is similar like Windows DLL. That was all for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. See you the next time.